Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how far you can fly your DJI Avata 2 in terms of height, not in terms of distance. Okay, so let's get started. First, go to settings, and then in setting, go to safety. Under safety, there is a max flight altitude. Select 400 meters. This is a max height you can achieve with this. Now I'll start the motor, and yeah, you can enjoy the view and I'll be like testing this height thing. That's it. That's the only purpose of this video. So let's get started now. I'll move to the sports mode and yep. Okay, so I'll be moving this joystick. There's one more way to go faster. I'll just move my hand on the upward direction and I'll ramp the speed. Here we go. It's going too quickly. Now we are in 100 meter. The view looks really nice. Let me know what are your thoughts. You can write down on comment. Sorry for this view, but like I'm going in really fast speed currently. So now we are in 200 meter and it's almost okay. Now we touched 300 meters. This looks pretty good. The view now only 40 meters are remaining. Let's see. Here we go. This is the max height you can achieve here. Yeah, that's it. So we have achieved 400 meters. That's it. You can't go more than this. So yeah, this is the views. This is stunning view, and I feel this is enough height for these type of drones. So this is for the general audience. So this height is good enough. So thank you so much. Have a great day. See ya.